Dear students, once again I repeat what we discussed in last classroom. We discussed about Hagia Sophia and Constantinople. You keep in mind, Hagia Sophia is one of the historical monument in Europe. Constantinople, it is a place in Europe. It has many features. First one, it is the center of knowledge because so many writers and artists and scholars lived there. It is a gateway from Asia to Europe. Then it was the capital city of Eastern Roman Empire. In 1453, the Turks attacked Constantinople. So the writers, scholars, and artists moved from Constantinople to Italy. You know, my dear children, why did they migrate to Italy? Why did they choose Italy? The following features were their migration. The following reasons were their migration. Italy keeps the Greek Roman tradition. Italy keeps the Greek Roman tradition. Italian traders were the support of art, literature, and culture. Once again, Italian traders were the support of art, literature, and culture. Then the traders preserve or save the historical and cultural heritage. These reasons attracted the scholars, writers, and artists. Then we are going to discuss about a new topic called the Renaissance. You know what is Renaissance? Renaissance means new beginning or new starting, new beginning of something, new starting of something. Renaissance took place in Europe mainly in literature, art, and science. First point, Renaissance took place in Europe mainly in literature, art, and science. Then Renaissance began in Italy and spread to other countries. Then second, Renaissance began in Italy and spread to other countries. Humanism was the most important characteristic features of the Renaissance. Humanism was the most important characteristic features of Renaissance. Humanism focused various aspects of human life. So it is known as humanism. Renaissance mainly focused in literature, art, and science. You know, my dear children, Renaissance means new starting of something. This Renaissance mainly focused in literature, art, and science. First, we discussed Renaissance in literature. You know, my dear students, what is literature? Literature means works of different authors. Many authors wrote novels, poems, and stories. This is literature. In Renaissance period, Petrarch was one of the eminent writers of the Renaissance period. He is known as the father of Renaissance. Secretum is the important work of Petrarch. Other important writers of this period were Dante, Boccaccio, Cervantes, and Erasmus. Their works are Divine Comedy, The Decameron, Don Quixote, and In Price of Folly. Then, my dear children, what we learned today? We learned the Renaissance began in Italy. Humanism was the most prominent characteristic features of the Renaissance. The Renaissance influence on literature, art, and science.